Fight number 46 for intermediate female. Red armor, Audrey Sagayno of 45ers versus blue armor, Alea Rose Anian of HCT. Again, red armor, Audrey Sagayno of 45ers versus Alea Rose Anian of HCT. Please proceed to the inspection area of Port C. Port C. Inspection area, excuse me. Sir, walang nag-occupy sa Port C. Mahal sa kayo, taghit. Players, ganahin niyo ang papel, paliw kung check kung sa mga court, A or C. Sa katang bago na mong itawa. Kaya walang tao dito sa court C. Yan na ako'y naglang itawag na court C. Fight number 47. Red armor, Shanika de la Serna of Jaguars TTD versus blue armor, Mary Grace Abarido of HIT. Again, fight number 47. Red armor, Shanika de la Serna of Jaguars TTD versus blue armor, Mary Grace Abarido of HIT. Please proceed to the inspection area. Fight number 48. Shanika de la Serna of Jaguars. Proceed here at the table directly. Table directly, Shanika de la Serna. Fight number 48. Red armor, Jassy Gabiana of Jaguars TTD versus blue armor, Ashley Blaze Siliote of TAC. Again, fight number 48.